Okay. Leap year, what you said? Once in a 4 year it occurs. What else you know about that? About leap year? Anything else? Louder. Feb month it will come. Okay. Leap year comes in the Feb month. Great. See, that's why I say when students say they know something, I feel great because I get some answers like this, which make each one of us to laugh, right? You should be thankful to him. Whenever you smile or whenever a person makes you smile, you should be happy to that particular person because he had made you smile and he had made you feel happy. Okay, thank you. Okay, anybody else? What do you know about leap year apart from it comes once in a 4 year? Okay. February month, how many days we get? 28. Is that every year 28? No. Then when we get other dates, other number of days? Once in a 4 years. How many days will be there? 29. So 1 day extra. Why is that so? Because of some okay, it's actually the revolution of Earth around the sun. You might have studied in physics, students. Yes, right? Yes, science. Okay. Now the concept is that, as one of your friends says, once in a 4 year we get a leap year. In our Hindu mythology we say, right, Adhika Mas, right? Okay. Now, when is that once in a 4 year? How we will find out that once in a 4 year is this year or the next year or the previous year? Which year we have to decide that once in a 4 year? When the date is 29. In February month, if the total number of days are 29, but how we have to come to know that that particular year, in that year, February has 29 days. Okay, 2020 year was a leap year. Sir has asked for an extra class and he is teaching something else. Are you able to see the calendar? Yes. 2020. I'm just going into February here. How many days are there? So now tell me, is year 2020 a leap year? Yes. Now 2021, 22, 23, 24. Yes. 25. Right? So the years, now 2020, we need to find out the characteristic here. What is making that year a leap year? We know that is in that year, the February month, if it has 29, it is a leap year. Okay. Now, again, the concept of that modulus operation comes over here. This modulus operation is so interesting, so beautiful, right? All these realistic problems we can solve using the modulus operators. Now, 2020, you try to do the modulus operation by 4. Do you get any remainder other than 0? Divide 2020 by 4. What is the remainder? Remainder, I'm asking remainder. 0? Yes? Now, 2021. 22, 23, 24, 0, 25, 1, 26, 2, 27, 28, 0. Now, 2020 was leap year. What was the remainder? 0. 2024 is a leap year. What is the remainder? 2021, remainder was 1. Was that a leap year? No. Now think as a programmer now. When we get a leap year? If you do the modulus operation on that year, and if you get the remainder as 0, then that year is, loudly said, leap year, right? Now, again there is a twist. If you perform the same thing, same way, you get, and suppose for example 2000, the year 2000, if you try to do the modulus operation by 4, you get remainder as 0. Okay. Now, there are some years we call it as a sanitary years. Sanitary years means 2100. The year 2100. Try to do the modulo operation. What you get? 2100 modulo 4. What is the remainder? 0 or not? Yes, but 2100 is not a leap year. 2100 is not a leap year. Another example, 2200. If you perform modulo operation with 4, what you get? 0 or some other number? If you do the modulo operation by 4, you get remainder as 0. That means it is leap year, right? Now, 2021, when you did modulo operation by 4, you get the remainder as 1. That means it's not a leap year, right? Now, what we figured out here is that with this simple exercise, if the remainder is 0, the year is leap year. But if the years like 2100, 2100 means if the year last 2 digits are zeros, we call it to be a sanitary years. Okay. If you try to do the modulo operation by 4, what we get? 0 only. But this is not leap year. Okay. In the same way, 2200 modulo 4, you get the remainder as 0 only. But this is also not leap year. Same way, you have another year here, like 2300 year. Okay, this is also not a leap year. The next one, 24, is a leap year. 24 is a leap year. Okay, these are the factual data I am telling you. Okay, now you may say, sir, we don't live in those years. Why are you teaching these things? Right? We don't live in this 2100 itself. We will by that time. But why sir is teaching these things? But these are the factual terms. We need to understand it. Okay. Now, the sanitary years means if the years last numbers are zeros, 2 zeros, then there again we need to check whether not only with respect to 4, but we have to check with 400 and 100. Like if we try to perform by 400, 2400 modulo 400, we get a 0. It is a leap year. Then here, if this is when we perform this one with 4, we get a 0, but it is not a leap year. That means if this is done with 400, we don't get the remainder as 0 here. We get some other number. Okay. Now, in general, how we can find out whether a given year is a leap year or not? There are 3 conditions basically. First one is we need to check whether that year is divisible by 400. Divisible by 400 means year modulo 400 is equal to 0. If yes, it is a leap year. Okay, then secondly, it should be divisible by 4. It should be divisible by 4, but not by 100. Like suppose if I make it to be a 100 here, not divisible by 100, then we get certain years. Those are again not a leap years. So I will just put you one website here. Okay, just see here how beautiful this is. Math Fun is the website name. Okay, now check your facts here. Leap years are the years. Is it visible? Leap years are leap year are any year that can be exactly divided by 4, such as 2016, 2020, 24, etc. Okay, we did this one at the beginning. Later, but there is an exception. What is that exception? Except if it can be exactly divisible by 100 is not, like 2100, 2200 are not leap years. Then again there is an exception, except if it is exactly divisible by 400, then it is a leap year. You can put any number here, it will tell you whether it is leap year or not. Let us give the same years here, like 2020. What it says? Leap year. Why it is leap year? Divisible by 4, and not divisible by 100. Remember this now. Divisible by 4, not divisible by 100. Then it is a leap year. Okay, then check about this one. It is divisible by 4, divisible by 100, but not divisible by 400. So it is not a leap year. Why I am explaining all this? Because you have a journal program for this. Okay, your journal program, one of the journal programs says that okay, read the second here. Write a program to check whether a year is leap year or not using conditional operator. How do we write conditional operator? Ternary operator? Forgotten? Conditional operator, ternary operator? Anyone from the online students? Because you might be having your notes, or you can just Google and check what is ternary operator and then tell. Ternary operator, forgotten completely. Unary means how many operands? Binary means? Ternary means? Now recall ternary operator, how it looks. First expression after question mark, second expression after colon, then third expression. So we need to solve this program by writing a ternary operator. Okay, directly I'm just putting the program here. Look at the program, how simple it is. Just now wrote this one. Look at here. Okay, now printf, enter any year. So you read that year and store it into the variable year. How we need to solve this one? Using ternary or conditional operator. In conditional operator, we get 3 expressions, right? From here to here is the first expression. Then question mark. Then this is second expression. Then this is colon, and then third expression. Right? Now, how it works? How the ternary operator works? Anyone students? Anybody from online students? Am I audible? Online students? Bhagyashri, Mansi, Tunga?
Audible, sir.
Okay. How does this ternary operator works? Very good. If the expression 1 is what? Sit down. Very good. If the expression 1, if this result is true, then expression 2 is executed. If the expression is false, expression 3 is executed. Yes or no? Are you able to recall? Yes? Now, in expression 2, we have a leap year that gets printed, and in the expression 3, we have a common year that is not a leap year. Okay, now understand this condition. Whatever we discussed just now, the same thing is put up in a programmatically here. Now, if the year, look at here, how many operations are involved here? How many operations are, what are the different operators here? You have arithmetic operators. You have assignment, relational operators, double equals to, relational operators, and then we have logical operators, right? See, this modulus is assignment operator. Then double equals to is what? Relational operator. And then we have logical operators, right? Now, does anybody have the notes where you have written the precedence of the operator? Anyone? You are not carrying notes with you. I have already shared the notes, right? Somewhere you have written precedence of the operators. Now, among these type of operators, which is the operator gets executed first, which gets executed second, which gets executed third, we have to understand. Precedence of operators. Just don't simply turn the pages so that I should see that, I should feel that, okay, you have definitely written and just searching for the book. Written, precedence you have written. Now, we have modulus. What is the precedence of modulus? 3. What is precedence of double equals to? 7. What is precedence of and? Logical and? 10. 11 or 10? Then what about or? 12. Okay. Now, among those, which has got highest priority? Modulus operator. That means in this expression, the first which gets executed is what? Among this, there is a modulus, there is again modulus. Means in this expression, there are 3 modulus operators. So left to right. Here modulus 4. Correct? Now what is the result? Suppose take an example 2020 2020. When you perform 2020 modulus 4, what we get? 0. Is that 0 now equals to 0? Yes or no? Yes. Means result of this is what? True. Remember it is a T. Then next. Here modulus 100 not equals to 0. Now when you divide 2020 with this mod operation by 100, do we get 0 remainder or other than 0? Other than 0. Right? Other than 0 means that is not equal to 0, right? Yes? Then what this will give us the result? True or false? True. Means this is T, this is T. Okay, then next there is a or. Here modulus 400. Now at 2020 mod 400, what do we get? Is that remainder is equal to 0 or not? Do we get 2020 modulus 400 as a 0? No, right? So 0 not 0 is that some other number is equal to 0? No, that means it is false. So what we have here? T and T or F. Now we have just simplified here, right? This will give us a true, then logical AND, then true, logical OR, then again false. Now we have two operations, logical AND, logical OR. Among these one, which has what highest priority? Logical AND. So what means what? T and T we have to calculate. So true and true. What is the result? True. So here we got the result as true. Now true or false. True or false. True. Right? So this entire result condition has resulted in what? True. True means, is this expression should be executed or this one? Second. So what it will do? Printf leap year. Is 2020 a leap year? Okay. Take the other example. 2021. Okay. Now, 2021 mod 4. Do we get it to be 0? No. This is what? False. Then here 2021 mod 100. Is it not equal to 0? Yes, it is not equal to 0. So here what we get? T. True. What about here? 2021 mod 400. Is it 0? No, it is false. So what we have here? False, true, false. Now again we have to perform what? False and true. False and true. What we get? False. So we get false from here. So false or false. False. So entire result is false. Then we should be executed this common year. Is 2020 a common year? Yes, it is common year means it is not a year. Okay. Now let us test for those 2100 and 2400. Okay. 2100. 2100 mod 4. Do we get it to be 0? Is the remainder 2100 mod 4? Is it 0? I don't understand. Why don't you calculate and check it? 2100 mod 4. So try to divide it by 4. Do you get a remainder as 0 or not? Simple. You get a remainder as 0? Means this is true. Yes? Here. Here, mod 100. So 2100 mod 100. What is the remainder? 2100 divided by 100. 0, 0 cancels each other. What we get? 21. Whole number. Whole number is, remainder is 0. Is that 0 not equal to 0? False. Right? So here we get false. Move forward. 2100 mod 400. Is it 0? 0, 0. Both the zeros will cancel each other. Then 21 divided by 4. Do we get a whole number? No. Means it is also false. So what we have here? True, false, false. Okay. Then true and false. What we get? False. False or false. So means common. So is 21 a common? 2100 here is a common here? Yes. Now check for 2400. 2400 mod 4. 0. Is this true? Yes. 2400 mod 100. What we get? Is it 0 or not 0? 0, but 0 not equal to 0? False. So here we have T and F. What about here? 2400 mod 400. 0, 0 cancel each other. 24 divided by 4. Do we get a whole number? Yes. Means 0 is equal to 0 true? Yes. Now we got a T here. True, false. True and false. True and false. False. False or true. True. True means leap year. Is 2400 a leap year? Yes or no? So actually this is very simplified program wherein in just one sentence or one statement we are able to calculate whether the leap year is, whether any year is a leap year or not. Understood? So leap year you get many Viva questions on this one. They will ask why it is modulo 4 only, why it is modulo 100 but not equal to 0 here, and why it is modulo 400 and equals to 0. You have to understand. When you will understand, if you remember what I explained before showing this particular program, right? I explained you every year, if any year, if it is, we are able to divide it by 4 exactly, then it is a leap year. But there is an exception. What is an exception? If it is divisible by 100, then it is not a leap year. But again, there is an exception. If it is divisible by 400, it is understandable. If the year is divisible by 4, it is a leap year. There is exception. What is that? If it is not divisible by 100, then it is. Then understood? Yes. If you not understood about the what are the leap years and what are not leap years, this is the. There are in website you will get so many things, but I found this is very helpful. Okay, very nicely given here. The same thing I have just translated into the program page. Nothing else. Understood? Write this program without any mistakes. Write down this program, because even though it is this is the program which is shortest in your journal program, one of the very shortest program, but most of the students will make mistakes in this one.